Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to save one-time photo in WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the WhatsApp on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once it opens up on the screen, open the chat where you receive the one-time photo message. This message is only open for one time, so be careful if you want to save it. Now tap to open it. Once it opens up on the screen, you will find three dots on the top right side. Tap to open a navigational menu. But the option to save this image is not available in this menu. Actually, WhatsApp still has not introduced such a feature that can help you to save this image. But there is another way that you can view this image again. So let's go back and from the top right side, tap on the three dots and then open settings. From this menu, open chat settings. At the bottom of the screen, you will find Chat Backup. Tap on it. From this page, you can apply for your chat backup. And once it completes the process, uninstall or log out from your account and log in again with the same phone number. And you will get another chance to see the one-time photo on WhatsApp. And that's it. This is how you can view a one-time photo on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.